Imagine a world just beyond our reach. A world where every decision you didn't make led to a different outcome, where another you exists, living a life subtly shifted, dramatically altered, or unimaginably different. This isn't science fiction. This is the tantalizing possibility of parallel universes. For centuries, we believed our universe was all that was, the sole stage for the cosmic drama. But what if our reality is just one of many? What if countless other universes exist alongside ours, each with its own unique laws of physics and its own unfolding story? The idea of parallel universes, once relegated to the realm of philosophy and science fiction, is now being seriously considered by physicists. The implications are staggering, challenging everything we thought we knew about reality itself. The concept of parallel universes arises from the bizarre and often counterintuitive world of quantum mechanics. Quantum mechanics governs the behavior of matter and energy at the smallest scales. It's a world where particles can exist in multiple states at once, where the act of observation can influence reality. One of the most mind-bending aspects of quantum mechanics is the idea of superposition. Imagine a single particle existing in multiple states simultaneously, spinning both up and down, being both a wave and a particle. It's only when we observe the particle that it collapses into a single, definite state. This strange behavior, observed in countless experiments, suggests that our reality might not be as straightforward as it seems. Could these multiple states represent different branches of reality, each splitting off with every quantum measurement? This brings us to the many worlds interpretation, perhaps the most well-known theory of parallel universes. It's a fascinating concept that has captured the imagination of scientists and science fiction enthusiasts alike. Proposed by physicist Hugh Everett III in 1957, it suggests that every quantum measurement causes the universe to split. This means that every time a decision is made, the universe branches out into a new path. Each split creates a new universe where a different outcome occurs. These countless universes coexist, each representing different possibilities and outcomes. Imagine flipping a coin. In one universe it lands on heads, in another it lands on tails. This simple act of flipping a coin can create two entirely separate realities. Each possibility plays out in its own separate reality. The implications of this are profound, suggesting that every possible outcome of every event exists in its own universe. This means that with every decision you make, every path not taken, a new universe is born. Your choices create a web of alternate realities, each one as real as the next. But the many worlds interpretation isn't the only theory suggesting a multiverse. There are other intriguing theories that propose the existence of multiple universes. Cosmic inflation, a theory explaining the rapid expansion of the early universe, suggests the existence of bubble universes constantly forming within a vast multiverse. These bubble universes could be entirely different from our own. String theory, attempting to unify all the forces of nature, proposes a reality composed of vibrating strings that exist in 10 or 11 dimensions. These strings could be the fundamental building blocks of the universe. These extra dimensions could potentially hold other universes hidden from our perception. The idea that there are hidden realms just beyond our reach is both thrilling and humbling. If parallel universes do exist, could we ever reach them? The very nature of these alternate realities suggests they are separate, perhaps inaccessible, but the human spirit yearns to explore, to push the boundaries of the unknown. Some physicists believe that wormholes, theoretical tunnels through space-time, could potentially connect different universes. These cosmic shortcuts, predicted by Einstein's theory of general relativity, could allow for instantaneous travel across vast distances or even between dimensions. Another possibility lies in the realm of quantum mechanics. Quantum tunneling, a phenomenon where particles can pass through seemingly impenetrable barriers, could potentially be harnessed for interdimensional travel. Imagine a device capable of manipulating the quantum states of matter, allowing us to tunnel through the fabric of reality itself. While the idea of parallel universes is still highly speculative, there are tantalizing hints that our reality might be just one piece of a much grander cosmic puzzle. Certain observations in cosmology and astrophysics have led some scientists to believe they might be seeing the faintest echoes of other realities. For instance, some physicists point to anomalies in the cosmic microwave background radiation, the faint afterglow of the Big Bang, as potential evidence of collisions with other universes. These anomalies, subtle variations in the temperature and polarization of the radiation, could be the fingerprints of other universes brushing up against our own. While these observations are far from conclusive, they fuel the imagination and inspire us to keep searching for answers in the vast cosmic tapestry. The quest to understand parallel universes is ultimately a search for a unified theory of everything, a theory that can explain the fundamental nature of reality, from the smallest subatomic particles to the largest structures in the cosmos. Physicists have long dreamed of finding a single elegant equation, a God equation, that could encapsulate all the laws of physics. Such an equation might hold the key to unlocking the secrets of the multiverse and our place within it. The pursuit of this elusive goal has driven some of the greatest scientific minds in history. While we may never fully unravel the mysteries of the cosmos, the journey itself is a testament to the power of human curiosity and our relentless desire to comprehend the universe and our place within it. The possibility of encountering other versions of ourselves is perhaps the most intriguing and unsettling aspect of parallel universes. What would it mean to come face to face with another you, someone who made different choices, lived a different life? Would we see our own regrets reflected in their eyes, or would we be filled with a sense of wonder at the infinite possibilities of existence? The implications are profound, challenging our notions of identity, free will, and the very meaning of life. If every possible outcome exists in some parallel reality, does our individual existence truly matter, or are we just one face in an infinite crowd of selves? The discovery of parallel universes, if it ever happens, would be a watershed moment in human history. It would be a revelation that challenges everything we think we know about existence and reality. It would fundamentally alter our understanding of the cosmos and our place within it. Imagine the possibilities that could unfold if we were to find evidence of other universes, each with its own unique laws of physics and dimensions. We would no longer be confined to a single lonely island of reality, but would stand on the shores of a vast, unexplored multiverse. This discovery would open up new frontiers for exploration and understanding. The implications for science, philosophy, and religion would be profound. Scientists would have to rethink fundamental theories, philosophers would ponder new existential questions, and religious beliefs might be reinterpreted in light of this new knowledge. Our current understanding of the universe would be turned on its head, opening up new avenues of exploration and inquiry. The mysteries of black holes, dark matter, and the very fabric of space-time could be re-examined with fresh perspectives. We would have to grapple with the implications of a reality far stranger and more complex than we ever imagined. The discovery of parallel universes would challenge our perceptions and push the boundaries of human knowledge. The discovery of other universes would be a humbling experience, reminding us of the limitations of our current knowledge. It would serve as a powerful reminder of how much we have yet to learn. But it would also be a source of immense hope and inspiration, pushing us to explore the universe with renewed vigor and wonder. The quest to understand the multiverse would ignite our curiosity and drive us to seek answers to the most profound questions of existence. The concept of parallel universes, while still speculative, forces us to confront some of the biggest questions we can ask. What if our universe is just one of many, each with its own unique laws of physics and dimensions of time and space? It challenges us to expand our understanding of reality and to embrace the unknown. The idea of multiple universes pushes the boundaries of our imagination and compels us to think beyond the confines of our own existence. It reminds us that the universe is a place of infinite possibilities where the only limits are those of our own imagination. Each star we see could be the center of its own universe, each galaxy a realm of endless potential. As we continue to explore the cosmos and unravel its mysteries, we must remain open to the possibility that our reality is just one small part of a much grander, more complex, and ultimately more awe-inspiring multiverse. The discoveries we make could redefine our place in the cosmos. Perhaps one day we will develop the technology to peer beyond the veil of our own universe and catch a glimpse of the infinite realities that lie beyond. Imagine the knowledge and wisdom we could gain from such an endeavor. Until then, we can only marvel at the possibilities and continue to explore the boundless mysteries of the cosmos. The journey of discovery is just as important as the destination, and the universe holds endless wonders waiting to be uncovered.